I'm Sue, I'm a cash stuffer, and we have got £60 to go in to our big savings challenge for our budgie and my box room to get sorted, because it does desperately need sorting. We have completed January and February from what I'd already saved from the 50-week challenge. So now, yeah, I know it's not much, we're in May, but we have £60 to go in, so that is that one completed. Oh, go in properly, go in straight at least. Jeez. In your pop. Right, let's pop that on. That is another one crossed off. So, onwards and upwards. Bye for now.